the raid. For anyone who might be new here, it's an easy target. Look, I'm sure I'm not better. I've never even tried it. I'm decent at Celeste, and that's a whole different beast. But yeah, if anyone's new here, my name is Cora. I'm a red panda who likes to play video games and do art. We've just been chilling today playing Sea of Stars. Fantastic JRPG, by the way. If you at all enjoy Chrono Trigger or any of the Mario RPGs, strongly recommend this game. And yeah, that's kind of my whole deal. Brent, if you need to do, really any of you guys, if you need to do any kind of post-stream care, get water, get food, please do so. I'm going to go ahead and get back into the game. Thank you again for the raid. There we go. Back in my chair and sweating. Yeah. Thankfully, at least where I am, it gets nice and cool at night, but it still has been fairly warm in the day, which sucks. 100 tomorrow. Fuck. We are also going to be hit with like 92. Let me check the weather again. I don't want to check the weather. I don't like what it says. Close to water I am. Yeah, I'm also a bit further north. 94 tomorrow, 93 the next day. And then it starts getting a little bit cooler. 88, 82, 78, 77. God, I hope that breaks the heat and it doesn't come back this time. There was like a week that we had 60-degree temperatures, and it was glorious. And I want it back. Brent's back in hell. I mean, obviously I'm going to jump right back down because, yeah, I want this. Hope you don't mind a small Wukong spoiler. Oh, no, by all means. Gain ability to TF into a double-headed rat with a big knife. Okay. Does Breen know about this? And Sierra. Sierra should know now. I honestly don't know anything about it. I mean, obviously I know Wukong, but it's like a Dark Souls, right? You have to also kill like a lot of rats. Well, you win some, you lose some. Did I want to jump down here? I just saw a ledge and I went for it. The skeezy old man dragon. Oh hell yeah. This is gonna suck. Hit him. Ow. And you use abeyance. That will knock one of them out and weaken the other. Cool. God, the timing on that. There goes one of them. He's not down yet. Now he is. That's fine. You're weak to him, so... Still didn't kill it. Okay. Has 1 health. Hate that. Welcome back. Can you please kill this? That'd be great. Thank you. All that for an apple? I'm so lost. Is this where I wanna be, or... I have no idea if this is where I'm supposed to be or not.